When you hear the word piranha, what's the first thing that pops into your mind? Probably a set of razor-sharp teeth and a ferocious fish ready to bite, right? But is that really the whole story? Let's take a closer look at these misunderstood creatures and see what's fact and what's just scary legend. Piranhas have a reputation for being the terror of the Amazon, but there's so much more to them than just their bite. Let's bust some myths and dive into their wild world. These fish are actually a vital part of their ecosystem, playing important roles in keeping rivers healthy and balanced. Piranhas are native to the rivers and lakes of South America, especially the vast and mysterious Amazon basin. But did you know they can also be found in other freshwater habitats across the continent, like the Orinoco and Parana rivers? Their range is much wider than most people think. Despite their fierce reputation, most piranhas are actually pretty small. The average adult weighs only about 2 pounds or 1 kilo and grows up to 1 foot long. That's around 30 centimeters. Some species are even smaller, and only a few ever reach larger sizes. Now about those teeth, yes, they're super sharp and their jaws are incredibly strong for their size. But here's a surprise. Piranhas aren't just mindless meat eaters. Their favorite foods are actually a mix of plants, fruits that fall into the water, insects, and smaller fish. Some species even help clean up the river by eating dead or decaying matter, acting like nature's recyclers. Piranhas are social fish and love to swim in groups called shoals. This isn't just for fun, it's a clever survival strategy. By sticking together, they can protect themselves from bigger predators like river dolphins, caimans, and even hungry birds. In a shoal, they're much less likely to be picked off by something higher up the food chain. Piranhas are also attentive parents. Some species guard their eggs and young, making sure the next generation has a fighting chance in the wild. Their life cycle is full of fascinating behaviors that help them survive in the ever-changing Amazon. And what about those stories of piranhas attacking people? While they can bite if they feel threatened or if food is scarce, attacks on humans are actually super rare. Most of the time, piranhas are shy and would rather swim away than confront something as big as a person. Here's a cool fact. Piranhas can lose teeth and regrow new ones throughout their lives, almost like a conveyor belt of fresh, sharp teeth. This adaptation helps them keep their bite strong and effective, no matter what they're munching on. So, next time you think of piranhas, remember, they're not just the villains of river legends. They're fascinating, complex creatures that play a crucial role in their world. The Amazon wouldn't be the same without them.